have just one way into our hearts. So why give them just one boring taste? Kibbles and Bits has crunchy kibbles, plus the real meaty bits that dogs love. So every bite tastes delicious.
Tingin ka kay tata, ano yung ginagawa mo?
The bits make it better.
Ha? Nagme-makeup ka?
Ngayon na matanggal yung sa ilalim. Umapit sa balat.
Dachi, look at me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
One of the most beloved stories of all time. Snow White. Promises an enchanting adventure for the whole family. Snow White is the most beautiful world. Mirror, Mirror. Rated PG. On Blu-ray tomorrow.
Hoy,
Hey, Eddie.
yung nose mo.
Stuff you don't have to do. I want you to keep this. It'd be weird. Take care. You too.
Where's the forehead?
So how did it go? He's upset.
Uy,
Spend less
gusto
time
mo
at
pa.
gas stations with best-in-class fuel economy. It's our most innovative
Sa neck.
ever. Yaya may not approve of pool parties,
This looks like the pornography.
but at least she approves
Sa
of
chin.
serving Athenos feta. Because Athenos is made the Greek way, taking extra care for creamy and rich taste. Athenos, maybe the only thing approved by Yaya.
Tingin ka sa akin. Sa nose.
Because my back hurts so bad.
The Sleep Number bed conforms to you. Wake up in the morning with no back pain.
Do you toss and turn, wake up with back pain? If so, call us now. You'll learn how the Sleep Number bed helps relieve back pain by allowing you to adjust the firmness and support to conform to your
What are you
body for a
doing?
more proper spinal alignment. Just look at this research. 93% of participants experience back pain.
What happened?
Plus, it's a great value because it costs about the same as an innerspring, yet lasts twice as long. So if you want to sleep better or find relief for your bad back, call now.
Call 1-800-446-5555 for your free
Diyan naman ako
information
sa
kit with
kabila.
DVD, brochure, and price list. Call 1-800-446